The American muscle car legend is back. More brutal, more luxurious. Meet the 2026 Dodge Charger Restomod, a masterpiece that blends the wild spirit of the classic Charger with future technology and performance. Get ready to see how the legendary Dodge Charger evolves into the street monster of 2026. This 2026 Dodge Charger Restomod features a futuristic interpretation of the legendary American muscle car. The exterior is low, wide, and aerodynamic. Its clean body lines demonstrate a modern design approach that forgoes excessive ornamentation. Thin, elongated LED headlights with a seamless look create a high-tech, futuristic feel, replacing the classic round headlights. The front end is minimalist yet distinctive, with a large air intake that emphasizes its high-performance orientation. In terms of performance, this 2026 Dodge Charger Restomod is likely equipped with modern powertrain technology for extreme performance. A modern V8 HEMI engine produces 700 to 900 horsepower, with ample torque ready to hit from low revs. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. The 2026 Dodge Charger Restomod interior delivers a seamless blend of modern luxury and futuristic muscle car character. The fully digital dashboard features a large, integrated display that combines the instrument panel and infotainment system into one seamless surface. A modern steering wheel with touch controls creates a precise and sporty feel, while a wide, ergonomically designed center console emphasizes performance. Sporty, ergonomic seats offer optimal support without sacrificing comfort, making the Charger's interior not only visually aggressive, but also comfortable, sophisticated, and highly premium for the 2026 era. What do you think of this car's concept and design? Don't forget to like it and leave your thoughts or comments below. Is this Restomod Charger worthy of being the best muscle car of the modern era? See you in the next video.